New fridge. Samsung 4-star. It has egg place is there. 2 is 1 2 3 4, and then they have provided this are for protection while traveling. Best part is removing this. For 3 hours he told not to. Before anything comes, this fly comes inside. This is my new fridge. Please come now. Okay. They have given a manual. They have given a I didn't expect this much cheap quality from Samsung. It's not that much good. It's okay. And then a manual. Normal books only we can't study. What about this manual? And the locker is given in this. Okay, so let's see what is there. The interesting part is this. So what it is in simple words means, first of all there is eco mode, then there is a defrost mode, and then is fridge mode. So eco mode will be like ecologically friendly. So normally this mode will be we have to press for this one. Defrost means we have to just for 3 seconds, because by mistakenly also person can touch, right? So for 3 seconds it will be pressed, then automatically what it will be collected here in this place it seems. And the best part is, because I travel most, it is shielded one. So the fluid will be, or everything means everything will be shielded. So if even normally in other fridges which are in lesser amount like 16,000, this came for me for 19k. So if anything breaks, then it will cost about 3,000 to 4,000 to make up. Okay, so that is defrost. Then fridge power cool means within minutes I want ice cold items, means I want ice water to become much more colder fastly. Then we have to press for 3 seconds. Isn't it cool? Please comment below how it is. A new fridge.